Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to block a contact on your IMO. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to block a contact on IMO, let's open up our IMO app first. After opening your IMO app, you will see your contacts on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the top right corner of your screen with the contacts over here, and you will find all of your contacts over here. Now to block a person on IMO, first select that person. For me, this one, because I don't know who he is. And after selecting the contact of the person whom you want to block on IMO, tap on their profile name on the top of the screen. As you can see on this interface, there is their name available. Tap on their name, and after that you can see the three dotted icon on the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that three dotted icon, and you can see the block option available over here just above the delete contact. Tap on block and again block, and there guys, have successfully blocked a person on our IMO. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.